Welcome to this quick guide on pinning a group in WhatsApp on PC with the latest update. If you're juggling multiple chats, pinning your most important group keeps it front and center so you never miss a message. First, open WhatsApp on your computer. Sign in if you're not already. You will see all your chats listed on the left side. This is where your conversations live, organized by recent activity. The goal here is simply to bring your most essential group to the top of that list. Next, locate the group you want to pin. Scroll through your chats until you spot it. Once you found it, right-click on the group name. A small context menu will appear with several options related to that chat. From the menu, select Pin Chat. You'll notice the group jumps to the top of your chat list, usually marked with a pin icon next to its name. Pinned chats stay visible even as new messages roll in from other conversations, making it easier to stay in the loop with the group's updates. If you decide you don't want the group pinned anymore, you can unpin it just as easily. Right, click the pinned group again and choose Unpin Chat. The chat will return to its normal position in the list and you'll lose the pinned highlight. A couple of tips for smooth use: pin only a few groups you rely on daily to avoid clutter. If you're collaborating in a hectic group, pinning can save time by reducing the need to search. Remember, you can pin multiple chats, but prioritize the ones you interact with most often. That's all there is to it. With this single action, your WhatsApp on PC becomes more organized, letting important discussions stand out at a glance. If you found this helpful, consider pinning your top group today and see how much faster you can respond to key messages.